How to create a balanced vegetarian meal plan. In the profound silence of our thoughts, we often contemplate the significance of nourishment. Our quest for sustenance is not just a biological imperative, but a journey towards achieving a harmonious balance with nature. True nourishment arises from our understanding and alignment with the delicate balance of nature, a realization that every meal is an opportunity to nurture our bodies, minds, and spirits. As we embark on this journey to create a balanced vegetarian meal plan, let us be inspired by the timeless wisdom that guides us towards a healthier and more fulfilling existence. This timeless wisdom underscores the importance of our dietary choices in shaping our health and vitality. As we seek to create a balanced vegetarian meal plan, we must remember that every bite we take holds the potential to heal, empower, and transform our bodies and minds. Crafting the perfect vegetarian meal plan. Creating a balanced vegetarian meal plan requires thought and intention. Here are steps to guide you. Start with a base. Begin each meal with a base of whole grains or legumes. These provide the foundation of your meal and ensure you get enough carbohydrates and proteins. Add vegetables. Incorporate a variety of vegetables to add color, texture, and essential nutrients. Aim for at least 3 different vegetables in each meal. Include healthy fats. Add a source of healthy fats to your meal, such as avocado slices, a handful of nuts, or a drizzle of olive oil. Season wisely. Use herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your meals without adding excessive salt or sugar. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can elevate your dishes. Balance the plate. Ensure your plate has a balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. This balance supports sustained energy and overall health. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to try new recipes and ingredients. This can keep your meals interesting and help you discover new favorite dishes. Sample meal plan. Perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars, making them making dietary changes but embracing a philosophy. Eating is the norm, and where the wisdom of the past guides us towards a brighter future. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.